In the Vietnam War, U.S. forces employed psychological warfare in Operation Wandering Soul, playing eerie recordings to exploit Vietnamese superstitions. On February 10, 1970, North Vietnamese troops in Hania Province heard ghostly moans and Vietnamese voices mimicking dead comrades. These sounds, blasted via loudspeakers, aimed to instill fear and confusion, leveraging the belief in wandering spirits. Known as Ghost Tape Number 10, these recordings caused some enemy soldiers to surrender. Although effective initially, the tactic was phased out by the early 1970s as the enemy adapted.